Look at somebody built a little shelter. These are only $500,000. Where you can get these over here for $2 and $3 million, maybe 4 or 5. This is just the beginning of the building process. They're still waiting on their permits, and that could take years and a lot of money. Meanwhile, these guys started 15 years ago. And they're bankrupt now, but they have their house built. That's California for you. I don't know about this. The inspector did not do a good job. I can already tell that. This is not secure. One earthquake and this is all coming down. I'm not going in there. That's not structurally sound. Look, there's a ramp. If somebody wants to come down on a wheelchair. That's kind of nice. And that's where the birds have their little sanctuary. How nice. Look, you can sit on the bench right there and just watch the birdies and the ducks go by. The coots and the ducks and the, I forget what that one's called. There he is. He's the diving duck. Whoop. He's like, you don't see me. Disappeared. I see a little fish biting. And then over here, you got this guy. He's kind of a loner. That's more my style right there. Very content being alone. And then you got the groupies back there. They love to be social. Social butterflies over there. All right, let's take a little walk. Watch for critters, because I get startled and then I'll fall in the water. And I don't have my proper hiking shoes on, you can see. It's usually the squirrels that make me a little nervous, because they just come out of nowhere. We can only go so far. We gotta go around the other way, because it's sliding here. I could go. I really could. No, because then I'd have to climb that. I can go around. I could go up that way. But why? Why chance it? It's not like I'm not going to see anything different. Oh, he left. The solo guy. There it is. He's coming back. He just needed to see a bird's eye view of what I was up to. Alright, see you later. I found a little bench. Thanks, Fred Fittler. It's hard walking on this. It's just little pebbles. And you sink. See, I've learned. Watch the footsteps. If others are sinking, you're gonna sink too. Aw, that's horrible. Poor little guy. Oh, the buzzards will get him. The circle of life. I sound so heartless. Ooh, nice and cool over here. Look how flat that is. Imagine having a home right there. Well, I guess I do. Today, right there. Okay, it's wet over here. That means the waves crash all the way up this far. Ah. Not a bug. I found a piece of glass that's been smoothed out by the rocks and the water. Waves. Reminds me of a beach I went to in Hawaii. Glass Beach, I think it's called. That would be appropriate. Where it was like that. Just glass smoothed out. It's beautiful. I've got my shade. I've got my view. I've got my sun. Just waiting on my sister. Should be here any minute. I got my water. Big cup of water. Well, we had a great time. Oh, they're playing soccer. And it's time to go. I did not record much because we were busy visiting. This is our sunset. Good night.